Hey, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a Stick War Legacy mod menu with unlimited gems, unlimited troops, max upgrade army, and no cooldowns. Let's turn on the unlimited gems and be cool. So as you can see, if I press activate, I'm no longer poor. Let's see what happens, guys. Dang. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So as you can see, it is the Stick War Legacy app, modded app. So you just want to go to Zoo Mods basically. The site is loaded with modded apps and games, so it's pretty cool. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Stick War Legacy. You can see it's the Stick War Legacy mod, and then wait for it to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. And the reason you need to avoid Stick War Legacy normal game is, as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So let me just type in Stick War Legacy, and as you can see, look at that. It's somewhere in here, maybe. I don't know where it is, honestly. Let me just try to type it in again. Stick War Legacy. And as you can see, guys, here's the game. We go to in-app purchases. Look how expensive it is. So yeah, all you got to do, guys, is just go ahead and go to Zoo Mods. You're going to be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Super updated. Super cool. So if this video works for you guys, please subscribe. This is super awesome. And it is just insane. My life has changed. I don't have to be a brokey in Stick War Legacy. I can be rich. I mean, this is super cool, guys. So yeah, as you can see, I have a ton of gems. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe, guys, because it actually works. It's super cool. And yeah, you can become pretty rich with this method, which is great. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys in another video, so please subscribe to the channel, and peace out.